vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. And is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, chrome mirror caps, floor mats, dual zone climate control, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, trailer brake controller, heated outside mirrors, tinted glass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.